Hi, I'm Yumi, and welcome to the week that was. A 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII ES. Start the clock. Monday started with another of Miss Nichols' whole school morning briefings, where this week we celebrated those who made their first Holy Communion over the weekend. The virtue of this week, courage. Tuesday, Prep 1, Grade 1, and Grade 6 students beamed with pride as their artworks were on display for the whole school to see as part of the 2021 art exhibition in our new Cecilia Hall. Wednesday, there was plenty of enthusiasm at the pool as the prep classes could be found thoroughly enjoying their special themed swim galas. Thursday, Grade 4s continued their IPC unit, the human body, as they zoomed in a little more on the skeletal system. Friday, we finished the week by finding out who won our famous landmark competition before students and staff packed their bags to head home for the weekend. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.